Lemongrass, also known as citronella, is a tall grass-like plant that is commonly found in tropical regions of Asia, Africa, and South America. It is a popular ingredient in many cuisines around the world and is often used to add a citrusy flavor to soups, curries, and stir-fries. In this video, we'll explore the properties and benefits of lemongrass and show you how to make a refreshing and healthy lemongrass tea. Lemongrass contains several beneficial properties that make it a valuable addition to your diet. It is rich in antioxidants, which help to protect your body from the damage caused by free radicals. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce inflammation in your body. Lemongrass has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat a variety of health conditions. Here are some of the most notable health benefits of lemongrass. Helps to lower cholesterol levels. Relieves digestive problems such as bloating and constipation. Boosts the immune system. Helps to fight off colds and flu. Acts as a natural diuretic, helping to flush toxins from the body. Can help to reduce anxiety and stress levels. Now that we've covered the health benefits of lemongrass, let's move on to how to make a delicious and healthy lemongrass tea. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. Ingredients: 4 to 5 stalks of lemongrass, 4 cups of water, honey, optional. Instructions: begin by rinsing the lemongrass stalks and removing the tough outer layer. Cut the stalks into small pieces. Bring the water to a boil in a pot. Then add the lemongrass pieces. Lower the heat and let the lemongrass steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the tea and serve hot. You can sweeten the tea with honey or sugar if desired. Lemongrass is a versatile and healthy herb that can be used in a variety of dishes or enjoyed on its own as a refreshing tea. By adding lemongrass to your diet, you can take advantage of its many health benefits, including improved digestion, lower cholesterol levels, and a stronger immune system. So why not give it a try and see how you can incorporate this tasty herb into your daily routine?